welcome back to the channel. So as you can see in the thumbnail and somewhere around here, you know what the video is about. It's about my window regulator in the Dodge Ram not working or functioning right. So we're just going to tackle into this issue right real quick. So make sure before we even get into the video that you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel and turn on that post notification bell, because we're just trying to get our numbers up. So stay tuned and watch the rest of the video. I'm actually gonna have to go get some more RTV to glue this back. But as you can see, I've already done this and already fixed everything, the issue that I was having with it. But I wanna just kind of catch y'all guys up with it and everything, because there's plenty of Dodge guys I know that have issues with this. But as you can see right here, these two bolts here is what's holding your window regulator in. So as you can see, like the metal right here has been getting scratched up and scored in both spots. So at some point my window regulator was probably mounted up here and twisted, and it has come loose and slid. Both of these screws were loose as could be. My window was actually shorting out and wouldn't roll all the way down or up, and it was getting caught in the grooves. So now I've actually tightened those screws up, and as you can see, I'm about to give you a taste. Well, or the window fix, it'll go up and it'll come all the way down, and it won't get jammed up. So this is just a really quick video for the guys that may or may be having this issue. But just remember, that if your window won't go down, or it's getting stuck halfway and then the lights on your window switch goes out and then comes back on, it could be this issue. Back to what I was saying. So if your lights is cutting off and everything, it could be this issue that you're having here. Just remember, my two regulator bolts were loose, and that was pretty much the issue. So I mean, just for one more time for good measure, we're gonna let the window go all the way down, and then go all the way back up, and it looks like it's working. So hey, for everybody and you've double checked and checked everything, you just want to put this back on. I didn't have no RTV to put back on it, so I'm just kind of pressing it and praying that it stays put. But for the most part, it feels like it's sticking. So just press it back on and then put your door jamb back on, and hopefully your door will be fixed. So as you can see, you're gonna watch the finishing products of me putting the door back on, or the finishing steps. So I'm about to put the door back on now.
I wake up every minute with the fever dreams. I push my mind to a limit where it needs to be. I work like I got vision I don't need to see. I'm picking mind over matter, I believe in me. I need to find more hours in the day to breathe. Need to find more power in the way I be. And when my mind turns sour with the painful scenes, I need to scream out loud, I can't stop me. I wanna be the greatest like Rocky. You know I leave them all hating like a hobby. I'm out here making moves like a lobby, and if you ain't with me, it's your loss. See, I got my mind on the facts, I'm a python, grab what I like real fast, choke until I have everything I attack, everything that I lack, everything that I want, and I see, matter of fact.
I'm my own worst enemy, only if I let it be. I can control anything if I can just think carefully. I control my destiny. Deep up in my mind I manifest it. Every morning I wake up obsessed, and everything I do the best. And deep within
thank y'all for watching the video. And as always, just make sure that you like or comment or subscribe to the channel, and make sure you turn on those post notification bells. But hey, also just in the comments below, if you would like to see me do a review of my Rossberg Fosgate T1s shallow mount 12s that are in my truck, just make sure you comment below T1s, and I'm gonna do a poll and see how many people actually want to see that video about my subwoofers and the issues I've had with them. So as always, from your boy Jamarrel J, make sure you hug someone if you can, because you never know what dilemma or obstacle that person could be facing. Peace out.
I put towards my dreaming, but the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the fucking hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder, and fuck all the doubters, they're just fucking downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.